In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join VC in Discord. Voice channels, often called VCs, are one of Discord's most popular features. They allow you to talk with friends, teammates, classmates, or other community members in real time. Whether you're joining a gaming session, attending an online meeting, or simply chatting with others, connecting to a voice channel is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can confidently join a voice channel and start communicating with other members. To begin, open Discord on your computer and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Discord home screen, you'll see a list of all the servers you've joined along the left side of the window. If you're a member of several servers, take a moment to locate the one that contains the voice channel you want to join. Click on the server to open it. After entering the server, look through the channel list on the left until you find the voice channel section. Voice channels are easy to recognize because they're marked with a speaker icon, helping you distinguish them from regular text channels. Browse the available voice channels and choose the one that best matches what you'd like to do. Some servers have general voice channels for casual conversations, while others have channels dedicated to gaming, study sessions, meetings, or other specific topics. Selecting the appropriate channel helps keep conversations organized and ensures you're joining the right group. When you've found the voice channel you want to enter, simply click on its name. Discord will immediately connect you to the channel. If the connection is successful, you'll begin hearing any ongoing conversations, and your username will appear in the list of participants currently connected to that voice channel. You'll also see the name of the channel displayed on your screen, confirming that you've joined successfully. Before participating, it's a good idea to make sure your microphone and headphones or speakers are connected and working properly. You can also become familiar with the mute and deafen buttons located near the bottom of the Discord window. These controls are useful whenever you need to temporarily mute your microphone or stop hearing audio from the channel without leaving the conversation. Finally, remember to follow the rules and guidelines established by the server and the specific voice channel you're joining. Every community has its own expectations for respectful communication, and following those guidelines helps create a welcoming environment for everyone. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to join a voice channel in Discord, making it easy to participate in conversations, collaborate with others, and enjoy everything Discord's voice chat has to offer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,